In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix McDonald's app not accepting Google Pay. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check your internet connection and disable any VPN or proxy service. Many users reported that VPNs interfere with McDonald's payment verification and location systems. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data as well. After that, remove your payment method from Google Pay and add it again. Also confirm your card is not expired, billing postal code is correct, your bank has not blocked the transaction, Google Pay is set as your default wallet app. Next, check for app update. Launch App Store or Play Store, search for the app McDonald's. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. With these, your problem might be fixed. Next thing you want to do is check location service permission for your McDonald's app. So go to settings, go to apps. Now find McDonald's and launch it. Click on the option location. Set it to while using app or always. And that's it. One of these methods should fix McDonald's app not accepting Google Pay. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.